Now he gets it back far corner. Gudas runs into him. A couple of checks from Radko Gudas, who's throwing his weight around. He is furious. You can imagine Gudas' frustration. It had appeared as though, big hit in the corner now. Pushing and shoving Korobov now taken down. We've got a big tie-up here. Everybody on the ice is getting into this in the right wing corner. The linesmen are going to try to pull it apart, but they will have just futility involved. We're going to have a goalie fight. Oh my goodness. We're going to have Tokarski drop the gloves with Eddie Pasquale. Meanwhile, all the skaters are tied up in the right wing corner. Tokarski has his left arm extended. Now he grabs the face of Pasquale, takes one blow. Now he lands and swings with the right. A couple of wild swings from Tokarski. Gets several rights now, an uppercut. Several blows from Tokarski, landing them on Pasquale's right cheek. Now the linesmen are going to skate over. Tokarski stepping away. The jersey of Pasquale has come off. Tokarski getting into it here now. They've locked up. The linesmen are now going to pull the goalie fight apart. Meanwhile, you've got another fight breaking out here with Sawada getting into it with Jacques. The other linesman has pulled that one apart. And finally, all the fighting has stopped. Chaos at the War Memorial. Absolute bedlam. I don't believe I've ever seen so much paraphernalia strewn about the ice. Goaltending equipment, jerseys, everyone's gloves, and a good half dozen helmets as well. The crowd absolutely electric here, enjoying every second of it. I've never seen a goalie fight in my years of watching hockey in person, and we've now seen two in person in the span of 40 games. Riku Helenius fighting Robin Leonard back on October the 20th, and now tonight, Dustin Tokarski against Eddie Pasquale. And so the backups will come in. Mark Dekanich for St. John's and Riku Helenius for the Crunch. Sometimes you don't believe your eyes. Did that just happen? A slew of penalties will come with all this. And he's also been the victim of some bad luck and some poor offensive showings. While Oberg shoots, score, tip in! Tie game! Wilson parked in front, and it's all knotted up 3-3.